there's two models. One is we give them the data, but we don't just give them unlimited amounts of data. We kind of make it as though they're running the, so they have to request data from us, and they can request a maximum of X data, N data files. So, statistically, we don't want them to have infinite power, download, hours and hours of data. And so they have to kind of initially download a set that they think is exploratory and figure out what they're doing, and then decide what the data is that they really want to download. And then a second model is that we actually have some remote control experiments that they can log into from home with a webcam, and they can actually make the experiment work as they watch it happen and take the data. And, the data is theirs, of course. And the thing that's nice about that is that it's 24/7. I mean, they can, in fact, they have more access to the lab data now in the pandemic than they would have had in real life, where at 6 o'clock we would have thrown them out, right? So
are you going to keep any of that stuff when you go back to in-person labs?
That's a really good question. I don't know. I suspect we'll keep the remote. I mean, we'd like them to be in front of the labs, obviously, but I suspect that for initial exploratory things, we might still give them some data. Like, before you come in the first time, look at the data, kind of figure out, what the data is supposed to look like. And then I certainly like the idea of you can come in and do the lab, but you could also have remote access 24 hours a day. That just works to their schedules, right?